Now, let us solve some numerical questions based on standard electrode potential. Here is question number 1. With the help of standard electrode potentials given, predict which of the following reactions will be spontaneous under standard conditions at 298 Kelvin temperature. The options are A. Cu solid plus 2H ions aqueous giving Cu2 plus aqueous plus hydrogen gas. B. 2Ag solid plus Pb2 plus aqueous giving Pb solid plus 2Ag plus aqueous. C. 2Fe3 plus aqueous plus 2I minus aqueous giving 2Fe2 plus aqueous plus I2 solid. And D. Cl2 gas plus 2Br minus aqueous giving 2Cl minus aqueous plus Br2 liquid. Let us solve. The given values are E0 Cu2 plus oblique copper equal to plus 0.34 volt, E0 Ag plus oblique Ag equal to plus 0.80 volt, E0 Pb2 plus oblique Pb equal to minus 0.13 volt, E0 Fe3 plus oblique Fe2 plus equal to plus 0.77 volt, E0 I2 oblique I minus equal to plus 0.54 volt, E0 Cl2 oblique Cl minus equal to plus 1.36 volt, E0 Br2 oblique Br minus equal to plus 1.07 volt. The answers of the above question are C and D because only for these E0 cell comes out to be positive and hence delta G0 becomes negative. For example, for option C, bromine electrode with lower SRP must be anode and chlorine electrode cathode. So that E0 cell that's equal to SRP of cathode minus SRP of anode amounts to 1.36 minus 1.07, that's equal to plus 0.29 volt, and that is justified. Therefore, C option is a correct answer. But if we consider the option A, then according to given equation, copper solid is oxidized into Cu2 plus, hence copper electrode must be anode and hydrogen electrode must be cathode. So using the formula for calculation of E0 cell, we get it is equal to 0.0 minus 0.34 and that's equal to minus 0.34 volt. That's a negative quantity. Therefore, delta G0 for this cell would be positive. Hence, reaction A must be non-spontaneous. Of course, its reverse will be spontaneous. Now, let us discuss the next question, that is question number 2. The question is, given that E0 Cu2 plus oblique Cu is equal to 0.337 volt and E0 Cu2 plus oblique Cu plus is equal to 0.153 volt. Calculate E0 Cu plus oblique Cu. This is a representative question where we have to determine the SRP or SOP of an electrode with the help of SRP or SOP values of similar two electrode systems. Let us solve this question. The solution is, we are given Cu2 plus 2 electron giving Cu number 1, and let's its standard free energy change be delta G1 naught. Similarly, Cu2 plus electron equal to Cu plus number 2, and corresponding change is delta G2 naught. And our target equation is Cu plus electron giving Cu, mark it as number 3, and the corresponding standard free energy change, let it be delta G3 naught. Therefore, if we subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1, we get equation number 3. Hence we can write delta G3 naught equal to delta G1 naught minus delta G2 naught. But remember from thermodynamics that delta G naught is equal to minus n E naught F, where n means the number of electrons involved presently in the electrode reaction. E naught is equal to SRP or SOP of the electrode as the case may be, and F means Faraday. That's equal to 96,500 coulombs. It is in fact charge of 1 mole of electrons. Well, we can now write minus N3 E3 naught F equal to minus N1 E1 naught F plus N2 E2 naught F. All the F values are cancelled out. Therefore, we have E3 naught equal to N1 E1 naught minus N2 E2 naught whole divided by N3. Substituting the values, we get E3 naught equal to 2 into 0.337 minus 1 into 0.153 whole divided by 1. That's equal to 0.674 minus 0.153, and that's further equal to 0.521 volt. That becomes the answer of this question. Here I would like to give you a precaution in the form of the following note. Remember, electrode potentials are additive for the process in which half reactions are added to yield a cell reaction, but they are not additive to yield a third half reaction, that is an electrode.